Hello, my name is Keren with Cleaner Homes to Go. I just wanted to say hello to anybody who's watching this. I'm creating this channel to be able to post things here that are more in details about cleaning, about life in general. Um, Most about cleaning because I have an account on TikTok that is called um, KH2G. And I got a lot of times people asking questions like, what chemicals do I use? How long does it take me to clean a house? How do you do an estimate? Things like that. This channel is not just for people who wants to learn how to create a business or something like that. It's too for people who just want to clean their house and they want to do it more efficient. I'm sorry, more efficient and with less work, with better products that will work better on something that they have in their home. And so it's for anybody who wants to learn. I don't know everything, um, so I'm not gonna be here and say, well, I know how to do this and I know how to do that. Really, I'm creating this channel too, so I can so I can learn from others. I'm always learning, evolving every day. So this is more like if you have questions, if you want to add something, just make sure it's constructed criticism and not something where you're just trying to tear somebody down or saying, because we see that a lot on social media where people just comment on things that just to be mean, uh, tearing people down. We already have so many people and it is a lot of people who does that, so let's just make another club and let's build each other up. Let's learn from each other. um, Learn from other people's mistake, share your mistakes so we can learn from it. We learn together. I also have a podcast that is called Better Together, where I talk about a little bit more about me, uh, my family, who I am, the struggles that I have gone through, the struggles that I'm still going through. Because a lot of times it's people up there, they don't want to share their struggles because they're afraid of being judged, or because society, anytime somebody's down, they want to hit them even worse, kick them down more, like it's not enough what they're going through, or it's always somebody who's always think that their problems are bigger than the other person. I think we have to have respect for others, their journey in life and what they have gone through, and not tear each other down, but more building each other up and learning from our mistakes, as well as learning for what has happened to other people. Um, in my situation, a little bit about me. I'm a Latino woman married to a white man, American. Uh, so a lot of times people judge me because people in my culture judge me because why am I married to a white person? In their race, they judge me because why is he married to a Mexican? Um, Prior, when we were dating, this might sound like I'm an old person, but back then it was no such thing as video calls, or social media was not as big as it is now. So it was not a lot of people that I have connected or seen that they were in a biracial relationship. So I felt like, um, how can I say it? I felt alone, because I felt like I did not connect with people who were in a similar situation as me. So it was kind of like hard for me in the beginning. Once learning the language, second learning the culture, and also understanding how his culture was, his family, the way of doing things, as well as him understanding my culture and ways of doing things in my family. Um, we have overcome a lot of obstacles. My life is not perfect. That's not. Um, I see that a lot. That a lot of people will say, "Well, so and so is a great person, or it's a terrible person, or it's this, or it's that." Social media is never gonna show really who that person is, as well as this, because we're humans, and we always trying to show the best of us. Nobody ever, even myself, including myself, I'm not gonna sit here and try to show the terrible things about me, who I am, or things like that. We all, as humans, we're trying to put our best out there. But I think sometimes it's a little bit, it's important to show a little bit more about ourselves, because that way as other people can understand and connect with us, that they're afraid to be out and to say what they're suffering, and their emotions. We see that as a lot of people suffering from depression, um, people committing suicide, people suffering from anxiety, because nowadays anything you put on social media, you automatically get judged, and people are being mean, bullying other people because they feel like they got everything on their fingertips to say whatever they want to say, uh, without any consequences. The way I look at those things, when people post negative things on my videos or say negative things about me, is I feel bad for them, because that's what is on their heart. That's who they are, and it's up to me to take that garbage. I feel like, when it's a car, or who pick up garbage, you can't expect to throw flowers. The only thing it's gonna dump is trash. So it's you, the you need to change your mindset of what you're expecting from that. And sometimes when I look at negative things like that, I'm not gonna say it doesn't create any emotion in me. It does, a little bit of frustration, but I have to let it go and understand that I feel bad for them. They understanding that they might going through something really bad, or they have gone through something really bad. That's not an excuse for somebody to act that way. But at the same time, if you cannot change the world, but you can change how you look at the world, and how you go into this world. Um, every time I get up, I get up with the mindset: how can we make this better, every day better? How can you put a light in somebody's life, not spreading negativity, but building another person up? Um, Here recently in TikTok, in a video, somebody posted like, which I thought it was kind of funny, saying that I need to investigate what the word corrosive means, saying that I don't know what it means. Trying to, I don't even know, to be honest, what is she trying to say, or what is she trying to say, that I'm uneducated? I don't know. Of course I know what that word means. In the way I wanted, The person in me, deep in me, wanted to respond is one way, but I have to remind myself that I'm not gonna go to that level. And I was talking with my husband, and I said I wanted to answer that person and say, you know what, I did look in a dictionary what a corrosive mean, and I found your name on it. That's what it means. But it's not worth it. It's not. I'm saying it here because it's a lot of things that you can go back and forth with people, and you're never going to get done. Instead of wasting your energy in negative things that people put out there for you, use that energy to build something better that is going to be beneficial for your spirit. It's going to be beneficial for your soul. And anything that is going to help you grow and get better. I always try to look at opportunities and look at the why yes and not why not. Because a lot of times when we're going to do a project or we're thinking about something or an idea, we always say, well, I can't do it because I don't have no money. I can't do it because I don't have no time. I can't do it because I'm tired. I can't do it because it's always the negative things. And it's hard to focus on the positive things. And so now what I do is anytime I think about something that I'm going to do, I got to why I'm going to do it. But the why, yes. I think about it like when I decided I wanted to create this channel. I've been thinking about it for so long, for like, I would say 3 or 4 years, thinking about creating a channel, about cleaning, about life, about sharing a little bit of who I am, connecting with other people. For the longest time, my longest wanting was, and I have talked to my husband, is connect with somebody who is in a biracial relationship or marriage like us, like somebody who's Latino, I don't know, from another race. It does not necessarily have to be Latino. Married to somebody from another country, another culture. How did they do it? What is the struggles that they're going through? And learn from that, or they can learn from me. I don't know. Share my ideas so they can share their ideas. That's one of the things that I always want, because I feel like other people that they in some things I might not connect with them because their relationship is with somebody who's from the same culture, the same country, or even the same place. So I feel like I don't connect with people like that 50%. So anytime we go somewhere, it's like either they're all Spanish or they're all English. So when we find a couple that is in a similar relationship, we're like, oh yeah, we find somebody like just like us. We even exchange phone numbers. We like to visit each other, so because we feel like we connect more. That does not mean that's all. I'm saying that only people like that need to connect here. No, it's for everybody. But for the longest time, I wanted to do this, and I always thought, but what about if people are mean? What about the negative comments? What about if I don't get nobody? What about if I don't connect with nobody? I'm always thinking of the negative things. Well, last week I thought about it. I pray about it. And I asked the Lord if this was the right time. And everything came a little bit easier this time. And I'm like, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it because this is what I wanted to do. And I have to stop myself in thinking about why not, and think about why yes. Because if I connect with other people, I can share my thoughts. They can share their thoughts with me. we can grow together. And that's why I created the podcast, We're Best Together, or Best Together. And now I wanted to do this because we have enough negativity. We don't need no more. We need to create a club, a safe place where we can share what we feel, where we can build each other up, that we know that we can count on each other, even though we're not in the same town, we're not in the same city, or we're far away. We can still connect with somebody that when we feel those moments of anxiety, depression, we know that somebody's counting on us. Somebody is waiting for that hello, that good morning. So this is one of the reasons why I wanted to create this channel. Hopefully, you guys can stay connected. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, my account there is at KH2G, which stands for Cleaner Homes to Go, or at Keren with Cleaner Homes to Go. Also, my podcast is Best Together. And like I said, my name is Keren. I'm with Cleaner Homes. And I'm here to share a little bit of what I do, a little bit of my goods and my bads. And I hope you can share something with us. My husband will be doing some videos too. And I hope you guys can share what one of the topics that you want me to talk about, or topics that share your story with us. Feel free to connect with us and share thoughts. Stay tuned. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.